Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little Sunday vlog. It's going to be a Sunday reset, so we're going to do like the gym, we're going to do a long walk, we're going to just get everything ready for a good week. And I feel like these kind of Sundays just make your week so much better, so I thought I'd vlog them. I love watching these kind of vlogs, so I thought I would bring one to my channel. So it's currently about 9:30, we're on the way to the gym, so I'm of course going to take you with me. I'll try and vlog in the gym. I don't know if I have the confidence for that, but I will try. The lighting is going a bit crazy. So we're currently at the gym. Sorry, my hair is just, I don't know what it's doing. I'm wearing my new set from ABYL, which I'm going to show you all of those little bits when I get back, but I just love it. I don't know what I'm feeling. I'll let you know what workout I do after. Then we're going to go for a swim, and then we're going to go back, have breakfast, and get on with a productive Sunday. So if you are new here and you haven't seen any of my videos before, I'd love for you to subscribe. This gym is done. I mean, I feel a bit sick. I'm trying to get back into the gym. I honestly haven't been consistently for the gym, I want to say, for like a year or more. So I'm trying to get back in, and I'm going to document the journey on my channel. So if you're just getting back into the gym, then definitely subscribe, and in all my vlogs I'll do like little updates of how the gym is going. I mean, so far so good. I really enjoyed it. I did a half an hour, I think, on the cross trainer just to like warm up and get everything ready. Then I did a 10-minute or an 8-minute Lily Sabri workout. Then I did like a minute of skipping. The skipping really has taken out of me, but skipping I really want to get into. Like, honestly, I feel like skipping is just so good for you. I'm gonna get home and show you all my ABYL sets because they're so beautiful and I absolutely love them. And honestly, in the gym they were really good. Like, I felt so supported. Didn't even wear a bra with this set or anything, and it's just been perfect. So I'll show you those when we get back, and then we're off to doggy training. Okay, so let's just ignore the whole pale look I've got going on here, but I just wanted to show you the gym sets in a bit more detail. So this is the first set. Honestly, this is probably the best quality gym wear I've ever worn. Like, it's so thick and like just really cinches you in. So this is the top. It's got these little handhold here. I really like it. The bottoms, they're kind of the perfect length as well. They're just kind of like ankle grays, I want to call it. This is the back, super flattering at the back as well. Obviously it's got the little ABYL detail at the back there as well. I'll also leave links to these sets down below in case you do want to pick them up. I would definitely recommend. Like, I feel like getting new sets for the gym makes me want to go to the gym more. Okay, so we've now got the black set on. I will leave the names and obviously the links below to these pieces. I really like this. I wasn't sure what I'd think to this detail because I just wasn't really sure, but I actually love it, and I think it just adds a little bit of something to the outfit. Oh, I just think it's so flattering. I absolutely love it. This is it from the back. That is the two little sets. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this mini haul. Thank you so much to ABYL for very kindly gifting me these. This isn't like a sponsored video or anything, but I just wanted to show you in the video. Yeah, I'll leave all the links below, and if you are going to pick anything up, it would definitely help me if you would shop through the link in the description. But yeah, let's get back on with the routine. Okay, I just want to show you Bailey's beautiful haircut. Oh, and a yawn apparently. He looks so cute. He's literally just been groomed. He's so soft. Look, his little tummy is so soft. I'm going to show everyone your haircut. Yeah, to the side. Good. Look at me. Good boy. So we're now going to doggy training. Do you want to go doggy training? Bailey, do you want to go? Do you want to go training? Do you? He's like, what are we doing? You will not even know till we get there. You won't know till we get there. Ooh, ah. He's ready to go. He knows he's going somewhere. We're now taking Bailey to dog training. He's in the back. I don't know if you can really see him. I'll show you him when we get there. This isn't something we do every single Sunday. This is something we've like booked. So it's a 1 hour one-to-one session with like a dog behaviourist. So I'm very excited. So we've booked this to help with his recall and with his lead walking, because he does walk okay on the lead sometimes, but sometimes he will just pull and we don't know how to stop it. Like, we've tried heel, we've tried training him with treats, so it doesn't really work. So I think they do a little assessment and then they'll like train you on how to train them, if that makes sense. So that is a little thing we're doing this Sunday. We've got that 11:30, which is in 3 minutes, so we need to get there quickly. So we just finished the puppy class. It was not puppy class, the one-to-one training. It was so good, wasn't it?
Really enjoyed that.
Yeah,
I think Bailey enjoyed it as well.
He was walking perfectly, wasn't he, by the end?
He was really doing well.
We were like, this is a transformed dog. But now we are going to find some lunch, hopefully. Everyone's so busy, isn't it? Like we've tried like 3 places and can't get in. We're trying to find somewhere that we can go for some lunch. I'm fancying a Sunday roast, but I don't know if we're going to get that, but we'll try. Okay, so we've finished lunch and been to our favourite bakery. I have already had a try of both of these two. I could not wait. I kind of forgot I was meant to be showing you, but I've got a salted caramel, Toblerone and a triple choc. These are literally the best brownies to ever exist. So that is the next little thing. And now we're off on a walk to burn these off. We're on a walk. We're trying to implement our dog recall training tips. But yeah, we're gonna walk. We don't really know where we are, do we?
No.
We're just in the middle of nowhere.
Seeing as we've both got a lousy sense of direction.
Yes, I have no idea how to go back to the car park, but we usually come on this walk, but we usually go through the woods. But we decided to come in the field today for some unknown reason, and yeah, we're trying to get a big walk in. We usually do try and get a big walk in on the weekends, don't we?
Yeah, so that we can get a bit more exercise.
Yeah, and so Bailey can as well, because obviously in the week we're working and I'm at uni, so it's nice for him to get like a proper long walk in, and it's also really relaxing. Right, he's now run off. I'm going to try and recall him. Ready?
Bailey!
Bailey! Bailey, come! Come, Bailey! Good boy! So I just thought we'd talk you through our little Sunday reset routine. I feel like it's different every Sunday, isn't it?
True.
But we like to do, like, you'll always do like cleaning on Sunday.
Yeah.
I'll always try and like make my room clean, like my clothes clean for the week, because if you saw in one of my most recent vlogs, I've had new like wardrobes and everything, so I try and like make sure they're all organised. Usually I'll try and have like a bath, or we'll do sometimes we do face masks, don't we?
Yeah, in the
some sort of self-care.
Watch a nice film.
Yeah, last night we watched Notting Hill, and that is one of my favourite movies. It's so nice. It's just the cutest like rom-com. If anyone hasn't seen Notting Hill, then why not? But you need to watch it because it's so good. But yeah, self-care, organisation for the week. I feel like I'm going to do a plan of like my days this week, because uni is picking up and I feel like the work kind of snowballs from week 2. So I'm going to try and be very organised, get it all sorted. But yeah, that's basically our plan. Okay, so I'm now just going to plan my week out using my new little journal. I've shown this in literally every video since I've got it, so I feel like you don't really need to see that, but I will show you the inside. So let me get the new week up first of all. So this is the Papier Planner, but this is like the weekly overview. I absolutely love this because you can kind of put in like all your key things to do each week, and obviously notes to the side. Top 3 priorities, and I love the habit tracker. So last week I did like eating healthily, drinking water, going on a long walk, listening to a podcast. Like I just put all the things I want to do that will like help me reach my goals down the habit tracker. Important to do is notes and thoughts, and then you have a page per day. So I'm just going to sit right now and do the weekly overview. Ready for the week? Down here on the left we've got like everything I've got to do for the week. Then I've put a free time here because I feel like when people ask me for plans, or like if I'm trying to organise something, not that people ask me for plans all the time, but you know what I mean, when I need to know like when I'm free, I feel like it's easier to have it written down. So these are the days like in the day I'm free, like free as in not in uni, and then I've kind of crossed out Tuesday morning, so I'm not really free then anymore because I'm gonna film TikToks then, so, and film a video then. So Monday morning, Wednesday morning and Friday morning I'm pretty much free. Those are the times I'll like catch up on uni and things like that, but at least I don't have uni on those days. Top 3 priorities are to stay on top of lectures this week, be consistent on socials and be healthy. And then this is like what I've got to do, is film Thursday's videos, seminar prep, create a media kit, I really want to do that, respond to brands. And then these are the habits I'm going to do this week. So engage on Instagram, post on socials, drink water, eat healthy, work out, stand up of lectures, gratitude, and read or listen as like podcasts or read a book. And I've done 3 quotes that are kind of relevant right now. So these are the 3 that I've picked. And then I'm going to go back to like the bottom of the page before, like the Sunday, and just do a reflection of last week and what could have gone better basically. Got our comfies on, a nice comfy, you never wear like sweatshirts like that, do you?
Don't I? Well obviously I do because I've got it on.
Just after just copying me today, she's copying my vibe. Oh god, my bun looks like a full-on croissant. I have to redo it. Sorry guys, I've got to redo that. But we're gonna do a little Sunday pamper. Do we have any more left of these, or do we need to buy some more?
We probably need to get restocked now.
We need to restock. We need to do another Primark trip, so stay tuned for that next month. We are gonna do a face mask. Which one do you want to do? We've got illuminating or brightening.
I don't know. Which do you think?
I'll be brightening.
Okay, fair enough.
Be illuminating. So we're gonna just take off our makeup first. I thought I would just do a little self-care evening within the vlog because it's just fun. Why not? And I think we could watch a movie, but you know what's just been added back onto Netflix? Love is Blind.
Has it?
Yeah. So we should start watching that because we really enjoyed that, didn't we?
We did. I think we started watching it as a bit of a novelty, thinking we're really not going to enjoy this.
Yeah, and then we actually really liked it. So basically what it is, if you didn't watch season 1, Love is Blind is like they go into these pods and they kind of like date just by speaking, and then they propose, don't they? At the end of like the 10 days, they'll propose to one person, they have like a honeymoon, and it's all loads of drama, isn't it? Like I remember last time there was 2 who liked the same one, and then the honeymoon was a big drama, then they like move in together. It's kind of quite similar as
Married at First Sight.
Married at First Sight, but
they don't even
without the sight.
Yeah, they don't even actually see each other, they just talk to each other.
Yeah, we're gonna do the mask. These are only 8p from Primark and we always use these. But yeah, we're gonna watch Love is Blind tonight. I feel like it's one of those things that you get really addicted to and you don't want to stop watching it. Like,
I can't actually believe that we're gonna do this, and I can never actually see how you put these on.
Sunday self-care. I feel like it sounds a lot more glamorous than it looks. Oh god. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh god.
You
We look crazy. You know what we could do? Now some champagne.
We could.
We could do some
Have you got any?
No, have you?
No.
Okay.
You know what we're going to do? We're just going to talk whilst we've got face masks on.
Maybe we'll catch up with you when our masks have done their work. This part of our self-care routine, plan the week. I feel like having a busy day on a Sunday does make your week feel more chaotic. I mean, like if you were out really late on a Sunday, I always felt a bit like, oh god, don't feel organised for the week. I'm going to get my nails done this week, hopefully. Some Valentine's nails. Okay, so masks are done. The only thing I will say is the Primark ones are good, but I do think, you know those Garnier ones we had one time, they are nicer.
Yeah.
The ones, nice. I think they're called Moisture Bomb. Now we're going to use this, which is what I got Mum for Christmas, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Night Cream. It feels like putting on a really thick eye cream is the only way I can describe it. But it does make your skin look really glowy and like it looks so nice.
And the next day you can still feel that you've got
the glow.
Yeah.
I was going to tell you about her lash serum.
One of my colleagues at work, she got fake lashes on, and I said, oh, your eyelashes look amazing. She recommended this, I don't know whether you want to put it up to see if you can.
Lash. You can get it on like, well, she recommended it on Amazon, on eBay, but we got it from Amazon.
It takes about a month to work.
Yeah, we'll update you in future vlogs, but I have seen it on TikTok loads of times actually, and the results are crazy. Time for the evening is eat the brownies, get some strawberries, chill in bed, watch Love is Blind, and that's about it. So I'll end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see anything else similar, like a morning routine or healthy habit video or anything like that, I absolutely love watching them. Like, honestly, I watch those videos so often. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!